Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Forms for event registration. First, log into your Microsoft Forms account. Once inside the dashboard, on the top left corner, click on this New Form button. Now, once inside, on the left side, go to Templates. Then from here, select Registration. And now, click on Event Registration. Now you will be able to have a template that you can use. So first, you can go and change the name of that form. Just change it according to your event. Then, you can also add in a description for it. Then at the top, you can click on this image icon so that you will be able to add in an image that fits to your event. Now let's proceed to the questions. Here, you can go ahead and change it according to your liking. Then, just go and scan it so that you will be able to edit it so that the questions stay relevant according to your event. So just go ahead and type in a new option or a question for it. After that, you can also go ahead and delete a question that you don't think is relevant to your event. Now, you can go and insert a new one if you'd like to. Just go ahead and choose among these options. Once done, on the top ribbon, you can click on the preview button so that you will be able to see how your event registration looks like. And that's just basically it. That's how you use Microsoft Forms for event registration. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.